Breaking news. These magic words are capable of stopping billions of people in their tracks to check the latest news or gossip. It happens every single day. For decades, people can't help but check the news, they follow it religiously. And it's not something new. Even in ancient Rome, people lined up in the market to hear the news. Today it's a $43 billion industry, and it grows bigger every single day. Companies like CNN, Bloomberg, Fox News, and more are dominating it and have a monopoly on who can enter it. Until now. You see, we created something that will forever change the news and publishing industry. We created the brand new next-gen AI app that generates hundreds of self-updating broadcasting news sites in any niche, in any language in next 60 seconds with just a click. Yes, you read that right. We create not one, not two, but hundreds of broadcasting news sites with a click. And we can do it in any niche: sports news, celebrity news, stock market, politics, anything really. We just enter a keyword, and that's it. We don't need to write a word ourselves, and we don't need to buy, install, or configure anything. All of that is done for us with the power of AI. But you know what's the coolest thing? These websites update themselves. Yes, you don't need to keep maintaining them or posting on them. No, none of that. They use the power of AI once again to keep them updated with the latest and most exciting news in your niche every single hour. It's a set or forget kind of deal. We set up our websites once, takes less than a minute, and then it keeps updating itself and making us money like this. But it gets even better. We don't sell anything to make this kind of money. Our app gives you multiple options for AI self-monetizing. So you will be getting results without selling anything. That's the power of AI, my friend. And AutoNewsBuilder AI does all of that for you and more. AutoNewsBuilder AI. The world's first AI app that turns any keyword into hundreds of self-updating broadcasting news websites. Here, let me show you how easy it is to get started with AutoNewsBuilder AI. Step 1. Pick the niche you like from our easy-to-use dashboard. Step 2. AI deploy. Let AI do all the work for you and give you a self-updating broadcasting news site in any niche you want. Step 3. Monetize. Even that is done for us with AI. Without selling anything, we make money like this from each website. It doesn't matter if you are just starting out or you are an experienced marketer. As long as you are aiming to make extra money online, AutoNewsBuilder AI is for you. Trends Hunter AI works for affiliate marketers, CPA marketers, e-com store owners, book publishers, social media marketers, coaches and mentors, and anyone looking to create a passive side income online. By now you might be wondering how much it cost. And I'm gonna be honest with you, I can charge anything I want for it. I mean, it's making us a bit over $15,000 per month. So, as long as I'm charging you less than that, you're still making a profit. The thing is, if I decided to charge you $5,000 or even $1,000 for it, many people who really need won't be able to afford it. It's a huge commitment to pay thousands of dollars up front like that. And to be honest, I make enough money from using AutoNewsBuilder AI myself. I don't need to charge you all of that. So for a limited time only, you will get full access to AutoNewsBuilder AI for a small one-time fee, less than the price of a cup of coffee. However, that won't last long. I don't want to overload my servers and end up paying more and more fees. So I will have to limit the number of licenses I can offer. If you still see the buy button below, you're in luck. Go ahead and click on the button to get instant access. And with our 30 days money-back guarantee, you have nothing to lose. Pick your copy now, and if for any reason you didn't think AutoNewsBuilder AI was worth every penny, just send us an email, and we will send you a refund instantly, no questions. We don't like to play games. So what you're waiting for, go ahead and pick up your copy now, and you will unlock bonuses worth over $2,486. What you're waiting for? Click on the button below and I will see you inside.